What's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Restyle Instagram something went wrong. So if you are facing that problem while using your Instagram Restyle, you're going to have to immediately restart your device. So tap on restart, and as you restart your device, check your Instagram and see if the Restyle not working problem is solved. If it's still not working, let's go ahead and try these fixes. First, head over to your Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see update instead of open, tap on update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Then head over to settings, tap on apps, and here also search for Instagram. Tap onto your Instagram application, scroll all the way below, and in here tap on storage. Here clear the cache, come back onto app info page, tap on force stop, then tap OK. Now again, restart your device. Once done, launch your Instagram and it will be fixed. Thank you for watching.